జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Aranyakanda. She is moving to tears. To such Sitama, the one who is wearing beautiful yellow pattu vastram, to such Sitama, abhyagachata vaidehim dushta cheta nisacharaha. This cruel Ravana is looking at Sitama and getting closer to ashramam while Brahma Ghosha Mudirayan, while chanting Vedam, while doing Veda Patanam. Ravana is now about to ask Sitama like this. Ravanasura in the form of sannyasi, while chanting Vedam, he has approached. He is now about to talk to Sita Devi. Sita Devi tam uttamam striyam loke, the one who observes more pativratyam, chastity, and sets an example to the entire Strilokam. Such Sita Devi. Now Ravanasura is looking at Sita Devi and appreciating the beauty of Sita Devi like this. Ravanasura saying that you look so beautiful. The saree that you are wearing is beautiful. Kamalanam Subham Malam Padmini Vahi Bibhrati. Your face is like a lotus. Your eyes like lotus. Your hands are like lotus. Your feet is also like lotus. You are looking all together as and how a small tree is decorated with the garland of lotus. Katvam, who are you? Ho Sundari, ho the beautiful woman. Hrihi, are you Bhudevi? Shrihi, Kirtihi, are you the fame? Subha Lakshmihi, are you Mahalakshmi? Are you the one who is the predominant devata of the glow? Apsarava Subhananehe, are you an angel? Bhutirvatvam, are you the predominant devata for the entire wealth? Ratirva, are you Rati Devi? Ho Sundari, your teeth is looking so white and your eyes are wide. Your eyeballs are black and your smile is very beautiful, very charming face. O Manohari, O Sundari, you are captivating my mind. Naiva Devi, na Gandharvi, na Yakshi, na Chakinnari. Like you, I haven't seen anyone in any of these Devata categories, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Kinnaras. I haven't seen like you beautiful women on this earth any time before. This kind of very delicate and beautiful women, you are not supposed to be living in this dreadful forest. Go back to your home. Like this, Ravanasura continuing to Sita Devi saying that this forest, all the dreadful, scary demons will be living in this forest. You are supposed to be living in beautiful palaces. Why are you here? The moment when I look at you, I felt that you are Sakshat Devata. Are you related to any Rudras, Marutas and Vasu? Any of those Devata categories? You are not supposed to be living in this kind of forest. No Devatas will be living in this kind of forest. Kadham nutvam iha agata. How did you end up coming here? Like this, Ravana is now trying to talk to Sita Devi while appreciating the beauty of Sita Devi. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.